A hearing and now in its final stage after a deadly shootout on Miramar Parkway nearly 6 years ago. One of 4 officers are now waiting to see if a manslaughter charge will be dismissed. Local 10's Roy Ramos has been following this one from the very beginning and joins us live with what happened in court today. Roy?
Nicole, well, the state and the defense have rested, but today we get a chance to hear from the final witnesses called by the defense, who both say they saw shots fired from that UPS truck. The state argued that there is no forensic evidence to show that ever happened.
After 7 days of testimony from more than 25 witnesses, body-worn cameras shown from multiple responding officers, aerial footage seen from police and local news outlets, and the decision if Miami-Dade police officer Jose Mateo will face a manslaughter trial or have that manslaughter trial dismissed now lies in the hands of a Broward County judge.
Did you believe from your eyes and your proximity that that popping sound originated from inside of that truck?
Yes.
Thursday, the defense first calling driver Liz Marie Dideno, who testified to hearing shots fired first from that UPS truck, but was unsure who was shooting.
But you have no idea as to who was firing those shots, do you?
No, I didn't see where it came from. I just heard it.
The defense's final witness, Sergeant Manuel Malgor, a 32-year veteran with the Miami-Dade Sheriff's Office who trains officers in active shooter scenarios and policy, and who was asked by the department to review officers' response, including Mateo's from that day in 2019, a day where subject Ronnie Hill and Lamar Alexander hijacked a UPS truck and kidnapped its driver, Frank Ordonez.
His actions were textbook as to what I would teach or want to see in a situation like that.
But the state argued with more than 200 rounds fired by law enforcement that day, its innocent victims Ordonez and Rick Cutshaw just sitting in his own car, who was also killed by what could have been the result of contagious fire.
If the officers are involved in contagious fire,
Yes.
Does it present a threat to the hostage?
Yes.
Yes, I would say so.
The defense showing this key piece of video in court where Sergeant Malgor described at least one of the subjects firing at officers first.
That's a gunshot to me. You see the muzzle flash, and you actually see the recoil from the hand as that round goes off.
No forensic evidence shows that the car was struck. Did you know that?
No, I don't know.
So that judge said it could be up to 2 weeks before he makes his ruling. As for Mateo's 3 co-defendants, well, they still have yet to file a motion to dismiss under the Stand Your Ground statute. They likely waiting to see what happens with this case. For down Fort Lauderdale, Roy Ramos, Local 10 News.
2 weeks. Okay.